The cleaned patty passes through powerful aspiration chambers where controlled airflow separates lightweight materials from the heavier rice grains. Samples of incoming patty are automatically diverted into a modern grain laboratory. Precision moisture analyzers measure the water content.
We're seeing a spike in the temperature reading here.
Okay, increasing the airflow to compensate.
Check the temperature reading on the handheld. Stable at 22 degrees. Everything is optimal.
The digital flow meters confirm a consistent supply. The system is fully synchronized.
The aspiration rate is stable.
Good. The husks are diverting correctly.
The conditioned patty enters powerful rubber roll husking machines, where rotating rollers gently remove the hard outer husk surrounding each rice kernel.
The sensor reading stabilized at 99.8% purity.
Excellent. Let's send it on to whitening.
The grading seems accurate on this batch.
Yes, the broken pieces are being diverted correctly. Another precision grading system separates kernels according to thickness and density. Vibrating screens and calibrate air systems help classify the grains into uniform groups.
We are still seeing some foreign particles in the reject stream.
Yes, but the uniformity is excellent now. Let's keep monitoring the flow rate. The purity analysis for batch 456 is complete. Looks good, well within the specifications.
We've hit the target for this batch. Noted. The accuracy is impressive.
Scanning batch 7.
Confirmed. The digital verification is complete.
Check the tension on the third layer. Looks good. The seal is tight. Confirmed for release.
Weight confirmed. Count verified. Approved for loading.
Check the batch information on those 2 pallets. Make sure the labels are secure.
Confirmed, Inspector.
All right, final clearance approved.
Lane 3 is clear now. Send the next load over.
Roger that. Moving the rice pallets now.
The recovery rate is fluctuating here at the 5th sensor.
Yes, but the overall yield is still strong.
The temperature remains stable at 103 degrees. Good.
The moisture levels in this sample look consistent with the targets.
The recovery rate is fluctuating here at the 5th sensor.
Yes, but the overall yield is still strong.
Check the levels on silo 3. It's filling faster than expected.
Confirmed. Adjusting the flow rate now.
Collected husks pass through vibrating screens and air separation equipment that remove remaining dust, stones, and foreign particles.
Looks good. The size is uniform. Structural quality is also approved. Send them to the bins.
The particle size is completely uniform.
And the consistency is excellent. We can approve this batch for packaging.
The bran stabilizer is running at peak capacity.
Good, the husk flow looks consistent too. We're maximizing output.
This is grade A, batch 74. Yep.
Matches the order. We are cleared for dispatch. Wait, this quantity is off. It updated. We are clear for release.
We have a discrepancy on container 12, destination error.
Rerouting the documentation now. It's resolved.
Manifest confirms 50 containers of rice inbound for the Asia route. Crane 2 proceeding with transfer.
Final weight confirmed, boss. Excellent. Moisture and purity are spot on. Batch 72 approved.
A breathtaking aerial view reveals the entire complex Hyreplex hull capacity.
Look at the sorting efficiency here. The yield is almost perfect.
Yes, the air jets are working precisely. We're ready for the export run.
From the moment the paddy arrives, massive machines work continuously, transforming the harvest into the clean, uniform rice ready for market.
The moisture levels are spiking in Silo 5.
Reroute the flow to dryer B immediately.
What begins as raw harvested grain become clean, polished rice, ready for millions of people around the world.